What are the health benefits of colostrum? Colostrum is the first milk that comes from the breast, human or any mammals. The first colostrum is especially, this one is raw colostrum from Dutch Meadow Farm. And as you can see, the color is beautiful, kind of like gold. I call this golden drink. This one, if you ferment it and make Bravo yogurt with it, you bring all the immunoglobulin that is in here, lactoferrin. These are very important, strong molecules to boost your immune system, increase athletic performance, and it actually helps with the GI issues that you might have. But you have to start small, right? You start half a teaspoon per day, and then after a few days you increase it to 1 teaspoon, and so on and so forth, because this is food as medicine. This is not just another milk or another colostrum. There are a lot of powdered colostrum out there. I want to say about 75-80% of them are completely rancid, and they are heat dried, and they don't have any superfood properties. So I prefer food closest to the nature as possible. This company, they are very environmentally conscious. So if this is a first colostrum from a mother, from a cow, they make sure that that baby cow has drank first colostrum from another mother cow. So they are very careful how much of the colostrum they sell, so they don't oversell.